Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan again from CryptoCamacho.com, where every day I talk about cryptocurrency and I help you navigate this crazy cryptocurrency revolution that's going on right now. And hopefully you'll be able to make some money in the process of this wild, wild west that we're in now. Today, guys, I want to talk about a specific altcoin that I think is positioned to go to the moon in the next 1 to 3 months. The current price of the coin is about 2 cents, and I think there's a lot of room for growth with this coin. I think there's several people, several indicators that are basically indicating that this coin is going to go up to $1. I don't know exactly when that's going to happen, but at 2 cents, I think it's definitely worth taking a look at, definitely looking at a review of this coin. So the coin I'm talking about, guys, it's called Redcoin. What is Redcoin? It's a decentralized digital currency, right? Sound familiar? No, it's actually a lot more than that, guys. So let's read down here. If you go to redcoin.com, you can see everything that I'm looking at here. But essentially what they say is Redcoin is the social currency that enriches people's lives and makes digital currency easy for the general public. That's very, very much needed. Half the public doesn't even understand how to use Bitcoin, doesn't even understand what blockchain is. So this is actually very, very nice to hear and to read. Redcoin achieves this by integrating a digital currency platform seamlessly with all major social networks to make the process of sending and receiving money fun and rewarding for everyone. This is big, guys. This is really, really big. If these guys can pull this off, the market size is tremendous. I mean, think of the size of Facebook, who has, gosh, I think 1 billion users, maybe even more than 1 billion users at this point. Think of Twitter, think of Google+, think of Dig, think of StumbleUpon, think of Instagram, think of Tumblr, think of, gosh, the list goes on and on and on, right? And that's only US-based companies. There's other ones internationally, in China and Russia and so forth and so on. Sorry about that. There's quite a few of those social networks that are out there, and if Redcoin can be the default platform to allow social sharing of money, of cryptocurrency, tipping of cryptocurrency, and enable a way to basically gamify how people send and receive money over social networks, I think Redcoin has a lot of potential, and a lot of potential, especially at 2 cents, guys. So let's look into this a little bit more. I highly recommend you watch this video on the Redcoin website. I'm not going to go through it right now, but very, very much recommend you go through that. So the features, they actually offer a very different way of mining, and they call it minting their coin. I'll let you read about that, but it's actually very different than the way Bitcoin is processed through a proof of stake. This is a little bit different. They offer a tip platform which enables a user to give a monetary or financial tip to somebody on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, on you name it, on any social network out there. They also provide a Reddit wallet, and then they also provide a way to link your wallet with your social media network or your social media profiles, so that you can always be tipping between the social media profiles and so forth. Redcoin has recently been in the press a bit. I'm not going to go through that a whole lot right now. But so this is the website, guys, and I encourage you to go and check it out. Definitely go and read these white papers. There's a couple of them. Actually, they're down right here. There's a couple white papers. They're really well done. The team is established. The developers know exactly what they're doing. And I think Redcoin is positioned to go to the moon here fairly soon. Let's take a look at coin market cap and see what the market capitalization is for Redcoin. So as I said, the coin is trading right now for about 2 cents, a little bit more than 2 cents. And literally about a week ago, it was trading for about 1 cent. So you missed the boat on the 1 cent opportunity, but you definitely have an opportunity here to get in at 2 cents. Currently, we have a circulating supply of around 28 billion red coins, and you may think that's high, but it's actually not that high considering all of the users on these social networks that you see, right? There's actually, not that many coins in circulation if you take the total account of all of the users on all the social networks, right? Has a total market cap of 654 billion approximately. I think that's going to go up quite significantly here in the next days to come. And that's really what CoinMarketCap says about this coin. So now let's go in. Let's look at my Coinigy account. So the price is going down a little bit right now, which is actually good news for people that are looking to get in. Now is actually a really good time to get in. If you've seen some of my other previous videos, you'll notice that when things start trending up, you'll see that these drops get shorter and shorter and shorter, and it looks like it's already starting to maybe move a little bit. It could go down further a little bit, guys, but I do expect us to see, another bump up right here, then maybe another lower drop, another bump up lower before we actually go and take off to the moon, right? So that's what I expect to see. but you can see right here we're gaining support, and I'm going to see if it keeps going. I thought we were getting support right here, but it looks like we lost a little bit, so that's okay. I think it's going to keep going down a little bit, but I still think that there's a big opportunity here, so just wanted to show you the chart. Recently, I've been reading the news, and this kind of intrigued me as I've been looking at Redcoin, and I've been starting to invest in Redcoin fairly heavily here. I got a pretty big position in Redcoin. But just recently, today, yesterday, Mark Zuckerberg came out and said that he's going to back cryptocurrency, and he's going to start exploring blockchain and other cryptocurrency technologies to basically, push Facebook into this cryptocurrency revolution that's going on right now. Looks like he has a vision to decentralize Facebook in general, which is smart, right? Because you have things like Steemit popping up, which are essentially looking to decentralize a social network like Facebook, like Twitter. It's already starting, and they're already starting to do that. So Mark Zuckerberg is actually smart to take notice and to start, thinking on his own how he's going to decentralize Facebook and put it on a decentralized platform or blockchain type of technology. So the fact that Mark Zuckerberg is exploring this is, again, a promising sign for me that, the social network industry, if you will, social media space is ripe for disruption right now, especially when we see, things like cryptocurrencies coming out like Redcoin. It's possible that Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg will explore Redcoin, and if you even just type in Facebook and Redcoin, you'll see that there's a number of kind of speculations coming out, around Facebook to partner with Redcoin. I don't know if that's actually legitimate or not. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research. But if you Google it, you can start to see articles popping up that Facebook is looking at Redcoin. They may acquire Redcoin. They may buy Redcoin. And there's just a number of things that are very interesting around this coin. Integrating the number one social media cryptocurrency, Redcoin, into Facebook. If this actually happens, this will make Redcoin blow up and completely go to the moon, guys. So now is a very, very good opportunity to get in on it. If you go to Steemit, there's actually a very, very good piece written by this guy, Hagen, on Steemit. He's very, very well known in the Steemit community. He's one of the top analysts on cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency rises and falls. He's very, very bullish on Redcoin. Redcoin, he posted this 7 days ago. Redcoin RDD is red hot. Target is 0.8. Right now it's at 0.2, and he's targeting 0.08, 800% profit potential. And if you go through it, I'm not going to go through and analyze all of his findings, but I'll put this link in the show notes. You can go and find this. And he actually draws out the technicals around how he sees this rising, guys. And so we have seen a bit of a drop here, but the way he's projecting this is quite interesting. And he uses the Elliott wave method in theory to actually do his projections. And he is actually very, very reputable, and he's been right on many, many, many of his predictions. And so I would definitely give him and this article worth a read here. He again goes through all of the technicals on how this will happen. He breaks down how Elliott wave trading methods work, so forth and so on. So he's obviously bullish on Redcoin, and then you'll see the comments down here. You can read about it as well. But I have a lot of faith in Hagen and his predictions as well. Remember, guys, influencers, influencers, influencers. He's an influencer. He has a very, very large following, and I'm not going to say he has a big enough following like a John McAfee or something like that, but he has a big following, and the guy is extremely smart with his technical analysis of cryptocurrency. So definitely give it a shot. One other thing to notice, guys, is that Overstock.com is now accepting Redcoin as a form of payment to actually buy things on Overstock.com. This actually happened a while ago, but it's been reinvigorated in the last few days that Overstock is accepting Redcoin, which is fantastic, right? That's just another sign to me that it is starting to be accepted in the community, and other vendors and different parties are giving it a shot, right? At least testing it out. You have another vendor here, Shapeshift. They're also using Redcoin. I think they've disabled it recently. Not to fret. They've done that with a lot of coins. I'll go ahead and show you in here. Let's see. See, all these coins are temporarily disabled, but they have Redcoin listed here. So you can see Redcoin is on Shapeshift, and they're looking to add this or enable it very soon. So you can convert from Bitcoin to Redcoin, from Ethereum to Redcoin, whatever you want, but that's promising as well. And then I won't jump into this, but I do want to jump into the Twitter. Okay, so if you go to Twitter and you search for Redcoin, you'll pop up with the official Redcoin site, the Redcoin community Twitter page, so forth and so on. And then you'll start seeing news articles like this, right? Facebook perhaps partnering with Redcoin. Top picks, you'll see Redcoin is now starting to get in the top performing altcoins for 2018 across a number of different profiles, right? Across a number of different people, they're starting to talk about Redcoin. And as more and more people start talking about a cryptocurrency and altcoin, you can imagine and you can bet that it's going to go up, right? Even the pure hype of talking about the coin, if enough people do that across social media, the coin will inevitably go up, right? From traders and from so forth and so on. So I recommend you look at that. This guy is also fairly smart, Eric Chow. Giving a little plug for him. I don't even know the guy, but I've been looking through his profiles. Very smart, very good at technical analysis. He has also endorsed Redcoin. He's bought it early on. I bought it very early on as well, and I'm waiting for it to go up a bit further. It's gone up a little bit, but not too much since I bought it. Rumor is correct. Facebook to work with Redcoin with potential buyout. That's big, guys. It's really, really big. I can't confirm this. I'm just reading this off of Twitter, but you can see the types of things coming in. Again, on the top 5 best altcoins. Again, so I think, if nothing else, we have a big opportunity here with Redcoin. The other day, it surpassed 3 cents. It's now dropped from there, but all altcoins have dropped since then. So the altcoins are down right now in general. Jumping back over, we see it's already starting to go up here just a little bit. I may end up buying a little bit more. I'm going to pause this video. Give me 1 second, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, I was unable to buy any more right now. I'm waiting for my transfer from Coinbase to come into my Bittrex account so I can go ahead and trade. I was hoping to get some down about here. I didn't, but I did get some a bit earlier on. Let's see. So as you can see, I've been trading Redcoin quite heavily. I just bought some more a little bit ago right here. We're already seeing a little bit more of an upward movement here. I bought, pretty early on down over here when it was maybe half the price it is now. Made a lot of profits here, sold some of the coins. I made a little bit of an error right here and purchased at the top, but I made up for it when I purchased down here at the bottom. Not sure what was happening here. I thought there was going to be a much higher run-up than there was, but there was a correction sooner than I thought. But not a big deal. I was able to get in early on right here again. So I have a pretty big holding in Redcoin. I'm pretty bullish on it. And I just wanted to share this with you guys so anybody interested can get in on Redcoin before it really pops and goes to the moon. You can see a buy wall coming in right here. A lot of folks looking to buy big positions right here. That's a very good sign, and it's going up. It's still going up right now, guys. I hope you guys are going to watch this soon enough. I'm going to go and pause. I'm actually going to go and post something right now to my YouTube channel because I want you guys to get in on it. All right, guys, so I'm on my YouTube channel now, and I do this periodically because I can't automatically upload a video. So I'm going to go ahead and post a comment here on my YouTube page on the last video I uploaded and say, take a look at Redcoin. It's going up. And so just give me a minute. Redcoin is starting to rise and going up now. Check it out. And I will put a link here to my Coinigy chart, which I was just showing you guys. Let me take a little snapshot of that right here. I'll copy this link. That's one nice thing about Coinigy. Again, if you guys don't have Coinigy, you should definitely get it. Going back here, and Redcoin is starting to rise and going up now. Don't miss the opportunity. So you can check that out if you're interested. I'm just trying to forewarn folks before big things happen like this, which is exactly why. Oh, sorry, I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel here, which is exactly why I'm posting this right now. So, guys, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. I hope this was useful for you. Let me know what you guys think of Redcoin. I have a very optimistic outlook on Redcoin. I'm very bullish on it. I think it's going to go up at least a few cents in the next 1 to 3 months. So you have an opportunity to double your money, if not double, triple your money if it goes even higher. Let's all hope it does. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Would love to know your thoughts on Redcoin. Would love to know if you think Redcoin would be viable, using it with Facebook, Twitter, other social networks like Reddit. Would you use it? Would you tip people? If you watched their videos, if you watched, read some of these blog posts or really good content, would you tip them with Redcoin? Would you, rather than liking and sharing, would you just give a tip in cryptocurrency via Redcoin? Very, very curious your thoughts, guys, but I think this is a big, big opportunity. Do not miss out on it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click on that red button on my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Later, guys.